method statement. I'm gonna share my screen. Sorry. Para makaro atong activity for today. Asa ito? Exercise. Wait lang ha, kay murag nasaag jud ko. Ako say off. So this is our PDM, what the exercises. I'm gonna check if sakto ba. So here is the Philippine productivity ratio. Ano siya? Pop up eh. Anyway, so we have different types of manpower, man-hour. So for farm works, we have 2.5 man-hour per square meter. So meaning, per hour, nakay 2.5 na siya. Mahimo nila. This is according to the Department of Labor and Employment. So for example, nakadiri sa placing of concrete and padulong sa rebar. So ang imong mason, so you have slab and fill. So 5 kabuok man-hour per unit. So man-hour per unit is man-hour per cubic meter. So mo daw ni iyang kuan. So sa isa ka oras, 5 ka cubic meter iyang fill. Pero dili pasabot niya, tao ra na siya ha. Napod na siya yung mga equipment involved. So muni. So for your activity, deadline this January, magbuhat mo og PDM, no? Magbuhat mo PDM sa inyong project. So what are these activities? So for example, I have here, no, activity code A to N. So I have from excavation, I have mobilization, isa ka book, productivity rate, pila ka tao, and number of personnel, pila ka tao ang nagtrabaho, and estimation for number of days. The other one is structure, mobilization man ang number 1 dun. Number 2 is structure, excavation, and common soil. So magkali. So quantity is 20 cubic meter. So for the productivity rate of 6 man-hour per cubic, 6 man-hour per cubic, pila man kabok man-hours ang require. So you have 20. So 20, no? So equivalent 20 times 6 man-hour is equal to 120 hours. No? So 120 hours. So sa 120 hours nga kailangan, pila man ka personal, 4. Iyang ibutang. So we have here in our computation, G7, no, times 7.5, di ba necessarily 8 hours per day atong trabaho. Usahay kay naman tayo mga breaks, mga comfort room breaks. So that's 7.5. Usahay 6 pa lang gani. Usahay wa di mo trabaho ang tao. And then times na number of personnel niya, yung significance ko 1. And this is the ceiling, the estimation duration. So meaning sa we have structure, excavation, common soil with such number of quantity and the period rate with the number of man hours upat ka adlaw ang iyang gamiton. So what if kung pulo ka tawo kung butang, silang tanan magkali. Ano sa man siya? So, pag pulo ka tawo, duha ra siya ka adlaw. Pero karon upat man ka tawo yung sulti nga kuan, upat ra siya ka adlaw. See? So we also have embankment from borrow. And then, nag-fill in siya ba? Gravel fill and structural concrete from footing. So, yan ang gilabel. Yan gilabel ang soil. And dito na din siya, structural concrete. As quantity, 13 cubic meter, 8.5 man-hour. Dali. So, gawas na siya. So, sa inyong PD activities, katong base sa inyong requirement or sa inyong project. Tulong makabuok. So, right now, having these descriptions and this activity code, and you also have estimation duration, let's make a PDM. So here, we have PDM is what we call precedence diagram. Panintarungan akong screen. So I'm gonna make this to you. I'm gonna give this to you para na may sample. So here is mobilization as part of the area code. So A, mobilization. Mobilization. That is our duration for, 1 hour. 1 day. Kani, 1 day. And then, structural excavation and common soil. That is 4 days. And our precedence is A, mobilization. So the embankment of borrow is yung precedence kay F. Ito na ng F. Structural concrete. So, kung sa budyo ng precedence, anyone? So, unsa dyan ang precedence? May motobag? Ano, di ba mamatubag less? So, precedence kani, muna siya ang mga priority, no? Before siya itabo, muna siya priority. Kung sa may kailangan, before na siya matubag nga activity, paling mingawa. Anyways, di manubag. So, nga ni. So, ato lang taon sa gravel fill, what is the precedence? So, N and C. So, CHP load bearing and C is embankment of borrow. So, before ka mag-tie beam, dapat naka-footing sa ka. So, sa tie beam, precedence niya is E1 and then dayon J from Mugsan. So, kanin J, taas yun yung trabaho. So, now we have it here, no? We have our different types of box for our activity. So, muna siyang yung dyan. This one is the app code, A. The code itself, no? Dayon, the duration. So, description is mobilization, and then ES is early start, EF is early finish, and late start, LF is late finish. So let's check. So let's make a precedence diagram, no? So nagsuhod ito sa mobilization. We have 0, 1. 1 ang duration, mobilization. Ayun, the duration. So, sugod siya. Early start, early finish. So, 0, 0 doon na siya. And you have 1 day. So, unsa man ang precedence A? Ato sang ikon, ha? Itong ipang-highlight. So, we have this one. This one, and This one. So what we have here is the B, the I, and the J. So ito ba siya? B, I, and J. So with the B, I, and J, so after one day, after one day, ano ito din sa B. So we have again the act code, B. Tayo, number 2. So may number 2. Ano siya? And then number 4 is the duration. So structural excavation, that's the name. So copy the early finish. So 1 siya. So pwede siya mag-early start sa 1. Ang sunod, 1 plus 4, that is 5. So kung walang tawon, na 1 plus 4, 5. So early start, it's 13. Nga naman. That is that's 17 minus 4. Dili na sa taon na. So 1 plus 4 is 5. And then, let's go back to I here. So precedence is A. And then 10, ano yun siyang number niya? I, and 18 days. Okay, 18 days. So from early start, naman siya 1. Gani. And 1 plus 18, that's 19. And the other one is number 11. This one. Forms and false work. Actually, ang forms and false work, baka mo na dyan siya kung mama nakaghimo sa imong structural. Okay. Usa kay kailangan ba siya pala mo bantayan ba niya? Mag-revise ba ka? No? So we have J, and it's number 11. Kani number 11. Then the label and the duration. So again, you have number 1 here. So 1 plus 7, and that's 18. So move on ta. Now, sa may next. So, among the three, kung sa may pinaka-dali, sa diagram, sa may pinaka-kuan, this one, assuming nga wala ka kita. So, this one is structural concrete footing. So, after mobilization, na ay mag-excavation, well, the other one na ay mag-rebar bending, and the next one na apoy mag-forms and work. So, after that, na dayon, footing na dayon, magbuhos. So, let's do the footing. So, again, number 5, dayon, pila duration, 2, precedence, that's P. So, data, what's this? The last number is 5, plus 2 is equal to 7. So if you notice, you have structural concrete type beam. Structural concrete type beam. So it coincides that the precedence is E1, I, and J. So we have here the E1, the I, and the J. So sometimes class, kanang matik-matik ko na niyo ba? Marag, people who uses PDM must know the process of construction. Pero sa inyo is ko na niya siya na practice. So, structural concrete beam. So, dapat na kay rebar, na po kay beam, na po kay footing, and the formwork. So on and so forth. So, later on, pabalik mo, if you'll notice, there is a yellow, orange, sa taganin niya, orange bars, then the light green. So, the orange bars are the critical path. Critical path, that's siya. So, meaning, if manotice ninyo ang late finish, early start, early finish, late start, late finish, same na siya. So, in actual, kaning procedure, dapat dili ni siya malate. So, 1 day absent niya, kay baka na siya, late, na siya corresponding payment. So here, so this is what you call the PDM. Ah, Ninot kini siya lang taon class kung mahuman mo. Pero kapoy kani siya trabahoon if dili kayo mo maayo. So ako I'll give this Excel file to you for activity. So in PDM, there is no right and wrong answer. Pero na dyan mga kaning graph na mauto kay pagkatrabaho. Pero for you, normal raman ni kay wala man kayo ni it needs experience for this to have a nice graph. So na pa yung mga sample, no? This is the other sample. You can have this sample. Nanindot pa niya pagkatrabaho. So we have yung ibutangan additional number of hours, no? So if this is the critical path method, kani siya are additional days that you can finish this one, no? Additional days. So these additional days, no, kanang extra days nga di ka magdali, that is what we call float. Meaning, pwede ra i-floating ni mga activity. Pwede kanya-kanyaon, pwede pag dalion o kuman. Floating. Unya ra. And then, for end of this January, kani bar chart, no? So we have 85 days, and then you have to bar or label the number of days. Naman na ko diri here. So for example, mobilization 1 day, structural excavation, you have 4 days. So if you notice, the eye towards the number of days. So simple rin kayo yung pagkatrabaho. Okay? And this one, wala na yung progress. Simple. Then it will automatically plot your graph. Okay. So kana lang. Okay, mag-test at the next meeting. Next meeting, that is Friday ito no? Magsamta? Or Thursday?
Thursday, miss.
Yes?
Thursday, miss.
Thursday, May 7 to
Sige,
9.
just Thursday. Sige, just inform me and I'll be Thursday 7, no? Namo diri Thursday ha, ay magkalit. Parehas karon nga 30 minutes magkalat pa ninyo. Pag kami ratuod ni siya, but this January, madali-dali na jud mo and we have activities. Sige, so kana lang sa karon and group yourselves para maka-decide na mo kung magtrabaho ani PDM. Okay? Sige. Goodbye, class. Ay, dalasar na. Asa man?
Kuan, miss. Sa kanang individual ni siyang activity, miss. Tas
Dili group.
by group. Tas pila ka members?
Same group as... Ha?
Same group ra, miss. Katong
Saan,
sa... Ang grouping, miss, ba kay same group
Same
ra?
group lang. Para madali mo. Yeah, same group. Okay, sige. Goodbye, class.
Thank you, Miss.